This fall, you have a decision to make. To sit on the fence, pondering how painful that can be, or make your voice heard and elect to participate in Scott Burns' VoiceOver Basics for Bookings. A 6-week campaign to assure you're up for the challenge of performing flawless voice acting in commercials.
A lot has changed over the last 2 years.
Narration.
The jungles of Indonesia.
And even characters.
What's coming this way? Ooh, giant!
VoiceOver Basics for Bookings. Perfect your auditioning skills.
Doesn't that work great?
It did, thank you. It worked very well.
Master recording protocols.
So I'm wondering if you play that whisper part, do we still hear the dropout after you've boosted the signal?
And join the debate of whether to slate or not to slate. Cast your vote to get casted with VoiceOver Basics for Bookings. I'm Scott Burns, and I approve this message. Duh.